Okay, now I will teach you how to convert the data using turbiscan. Turbiscan to take file. First of all, you open turbiscan software and open the file to browse and come to the file right here, turbiscan file, and open the file. When you open the file, you can see on the right side is the time of scan. Each time the data will including the time and the transmission and backscattering. So you want to convert data, you have to do individually. For example, we want to convert the first scan line. You use pointer on the time and right click. You can see this manual and you copy, and then you open the Microsoft Excel, and right click paste. So we will get the data is including three columns. The first column, is the distance, on the x-axis, and the second column is the transmission signal data, and the third is a backscattering signal. So each scan line you will have will have two data: transmission data and backscattering data. So you want to draw this, you will copy this to origin. This only one scan line, so you can paste here, but here you can see it's not normal, so you have to do first the first cell in the command. If you use a first cell in the one, you will get the normal. So here you can draw. Well, here's the transmission data. You can draw here transmission data, and the first line in the zero, the first line, and here is backscattering. Here's backscattering. So if you want to copy more data, you can copy any time. Here you use many scans, so you can copy all. But in order to copy all, you can see that there are many data. So you can copy each data. For example, first I copy the 0 hours, and here's a 14 hours, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. So for example, I want copy on the 1 day, so you will pointer on the 1 day time. You can see the color trend, and you right click and make a copy, and then come to the Excel, paste. You can directly paste in here, but remember that is this x, this will be x, but x is the same. Like here we use x is the same, so you can delete the x. So remember that here is a 0, time is 0, here's 1 day, so you can see here. So one day, one day. But here's a backscattering. Here is a transmission signal, backscattering signal. Here's a zero. Here's zero. This is the first line zero. So you can copy any of the. For example, I want to copy the two day. You right click and copy, and then come to origin. Remember that the first cell for paste you should be in the command, and right click and paste. So here's a true day. So here's the x is the same. So you can delete this column, delete, and here you can write the true day. Here's a transmission signal, and here's backscattering signal today. Backscattering signal. So you want to copy any of scan, you can right click here and copy and then paste to the origin. And so if you want to draw, you can choose here is a zero, here is a one day, here 2 day, here is a transmission signal, and then draw. So you can see it's a three. First scan, so scan after 1 day, scan after 2 days. This is a transmission signal. And backscattering signal, you can hear on first scan, 1 day scan, and 2 day scan, and draw. Here is the backscattering signal. Here, remember that here is a percent. Here's the backscattering. Backscattering, but time is percent. And here is distance. Here is a x. So here's distance. X is a millimeter. That's all. So if you have one more question, please email to me. It's okay.